So I just got myself a very, very nasty computer. Not pretty. Oh boy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is bad. I mean, see if I can get some light in here. Well, first of all, I got some work to do. Okay, so yeah, this is completely disgusting. It looks like he's a cigarette smoker. He says his house is dusty, but I really don't think it's just dusty. I think it's just, yeah, that's what I'm thinking here. You know what? These screws are black and this thing's black. So let's do this. Okay, and then make it stick. Damn it. Yeah, so this thing is not pretty. I mean, look at this. This is disgusting. Holy crap. This is not going to be pretty. Gotta get all the screws. I've seen just so much. Oh, I see that works. Okay, we got it. Okay, we get that fan unplugged. Need to get some new fans for this thing because, well, these fans are completely done for. If you take a look, I mean, there is no play left in them. Like, watch that. Nothing. This one's even worse. Really, really loud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the customer a call and let them know. But I'm going to give them a call first before I do that. FX support. They're some of the coolest, most amazingly awesome people on the planet. I can't remember his name. He's one of the tech guys over there. But I have a R9-270x that a customer sent me. Not sent me, but wanted to get repaired. The fans weren't spinning at all. And I'm having the most damnedest time finding them online. I mean, I pulled the model numbers, nothing. I looked on their website, nothing. Felt horrible. Crap, I'm not going to be able to repair this guy's computer. I have to give him a call. So, of course, my last resort is to call XFX. And after being on legitimately a 5-minute wait, I got with a guy, can't remember his name, totally cool dude, totally chill, told him exactly what I needed. And he goes, oh, okay, oh, we have like 4 of those in stock right now. They're all refurbished, but they all work. We'll just send you one. What's your address? What? So I sent him my address, and he just goes, okay, sweet, it's going to be shipped off tomorrow. So thank you, man. Do you need anything else? I'm like, so it's free? I mean, I'll pay for it. It's not a problem. He goes, no. Your card went bad, so we want to make sure that you guys are all taken care of. We like to keep you as a customer. You just got a customer for life, bro. And probably everybody who's going to see this video. That's awesome. They're completely replacing the fans for free. XFX, good people. Look at this. Look, I don't even want to show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ew. 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 Thank God I'm not brushing my teeth with this one. Oh, it's so bad.